Hello everyone, welcome back to Touch to Click. Today I'll show you how to remove Message Bubble on Android and help you turn off this feature if it's getting in the way. This video will guide you through simple steps to disable Message Bubbles. Now let's get started. Step 1. Grab your Android device and open the Messages app. This is where you manage all your text and voice messages in one place. Step 2. Look for your profile icon at the top right corner of the screen and tap on it. This opens a menu with options related to your account and settings. Step 3. Scroll down in the menu until you find Messages Settings at the bottom. Then tap on it to access the app's full settings menu. Step 4. In the settings menu, look for the Bubbles option and tap on it. This lets you control how message bubbles behave on your device. Step 5. You will see different options for message bubbles. Here you can decide how bubbles appear when you receive messages. Finally, tap on the Nothing Can Bubble option to completely disable message bubbles and stop them from showing up. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful videos.